In this lecture, I will be showing you how you can create your hotel room. For example, small room, room with view, luxury room and apartment. These are all the rooms that have been already provided with the demo. So let's create our room and let's try to remove it. Okay. So rooms can be viewed in a grid as well as list view. So this is a list view. This is a list view and that was the grid view. Let's create our first hotel room. So click on the rooms and now you will be able to see all the rooms that have been already added. If you don't want to show them, I mean the demo rooms that you don't want to show, you can simply tick all and move to trash. When you move a room to trash, it won't be permanently deleted, but it will be present in the trash, just like recycle bin in our computer. So you can see that we don't have any results to show. It means that all our other rooms have been deleted successfully. Let's create our first room. Click on add new or add new. Okay, so this is our hotel room name. Let's make it like this will be our room name. Let's add some description. This is the biggest room and in our hotel. So this is done. We have just added our description. Let's add some photos in the description to make it much awesome. So let's use this. Okay, let's make it in the middle. Let's make it some bold and much awesome. Let's add some more description like is best for 2 people and has really great scenery from inside. Okay, so this has been done. Let's save it. Now let's try to see if the hotel room is searchable or not. Let's refresh this. Okay, you can see that the result is still 0. Let's add some like maximum people. Let's make it 2. Room size 1020. So unit of measure can be set on this booking plugin, this option. Let's make some color. Let's use this. Now let's make the branch hotel in New York. Quantity, we have just 5 rooms. Minimum booking day 2. Now let's go for price settings. How much you want to add it? Let's make it $30 and we can change the price weekly. For example, Sunday we have more people, let's make it 50 and Saturday 40 and rest all the day 30. And the minimum price is 20. Okay, that will be automatically calculated. Let's add some services like room service. Now let's add a comma. Welcome drink, comma, bike rental, comma, satellite, comma. Okay, so all the services have been added here already. Okay, let's add some additional swimming pool. Okay, these are all additionals. Let's save it. Let's add some exceptionals. If you don't want, just leave it. Page settings, let's add header pic. Let's use this as a header. Center, full layout, yeah, featured home. Okay, package, you can add a package like suite, restaurant. Okay, and this is integration external booking system. If you don't want to use your booking and you want to use like booking.com, Airbnb, TripAdvisor or Hostelworld, you can use this for integrating with external booking systems. Let's use booking, then you will need to add a custom link, or else let's use it simple. Okay, and the room ID, let's use it 12556. Let's update it. Let's see. So we have the hotel room, right? You can see Royal Suite is now available for booking. So let's see how it looks from inside. You can see the picture has been added here, and it shows weird because we have not yet completely saved everything. So it shows 2 guests, some area, 30 days per night, week price. You can see the week price. Saturday and Sunday the rate changes. This is the description. Room service, yeah, suite. These are some extra services. So yeah, it has been saved successfully. Let's go and work with the price. Okay, let's add featured image. This was missing. Let's use this one and set it. So you can see that the featured image has been added. So we can see the image has been added and it's for $30. Let's try to book it up. Okay, we can see that the booking functionality is also working with this room. So thank you. If you want to create more, go ahead and create your many rooms.